first video on POCO X2, so hope you guys will like this video. So now let's get it started. Let me show you the setting and about section. You guys can see here the MIUI version, which is very latest 12.0.2 Indian global version, and I will show you the changes and the features, new features of course. So, and at the end of the video,
hey there,
tell you guys,
subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Update your device now by downloading audio file. So let's get started. Let me show you the first changes on gallery setting on MIUI 12, this version. So let me pick one photo and just go to edit option, and you guys can see here the sky filters. Just click on that and you guys can see here the latest feature has been added here, which is dynamic. This is dynamic. If you add these filters, then you can see the dynamic sky on background. So if you try on your photo, then you can feel that the changes. And another thing is here, which is watermark. If you go on watermark, and on the left side you can see here the signature option. I have added so many signature here. So now let me show you how can you add your signature. Now choose any color from here, and now sign here. You can sign here by typing anything. So that's a new feature, and which is good, I think, and hope you guys will like this also. And the next feature is on the camera. Now go to night mode, and you guys can see here before this update we don't have this feature, which is you can't go to 2x option. Now we have 2x option on night set. So this is a feature. And the next feature, and one very interesting thing, is that now you guys can remove banned apps, which is MI browser and MI video. So you guys can uninstall now. You guys can see here, just press and hold on the icon, go to app info. Now you guys can see here you can now uninstall the MI browser. So let me uninstall this. So you guys can see here it's already uninstalled. And now move on to the MI video, where it is. Now here it is, MI video. Now select this, go to app option. Now you guys can see here you can install this. Just install. So ban apps has been removed. And if you guys want to remove gate application and other bloatware application, then you guys can do comment on the comment section. I will make a video on that. Using PC, you guys can remove those things. That's the feature actually. That's the changes actually they have made for now, and wait for the next update. And already MIUI 12 with Android 11 for Redmi K30, that means for our POCO X2, has been released on China, and EU ROM also available. And hopefully guys, I will provide a review video or installation video tomorrow, and also how to unlock bootloader of POCO X2 I will show you guys. So another changes, let's have a look there. Just go to additional setting and go to accessibility. Now you guys can see here so many categories are here. Now they have categorized this features: general, vision, hearing, and physical. Now you guys can use as you want. So that's all for today guys. If you guys find my video helpful, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon